desk accessory because it's dual purpose. You can warm your candles, which just makes your room smell so good, and you can warm your coffee on it. So dual purpose. Let me show you how it works. This is my first time using a candle warmer, and I am in absolute awe. It's so simple. You just click this on and off. That turns the plate on. Right now there's a red light showing that it is working and warming up. When I lift it up, it turns off. So it knows this by gravity. And when you do flip it, there's the little point there where it kind of knows when something is on it. You don't want to touch that hot surface. I like that they give you the warning. Instantly starts warming up. And what I've noticed with just having this on already for a few minutes is the aroma is already filling the room. I don't have to burn it. I don't have to forget about having my candle lit. I love this. Plus you can use this to warm your coffee, which is going to be so great. And it has an auto shut off. So if you leave it on after 8 hours, it's going to auto shut off if your candle or your mug is still on there. Having your drink stay warm all day is such a game changer, especially if you're busy. Then you know, so many times you make coffee, or this is a mushroom coffee, and then it gets cold and you're like, oh man, I didn't even get around to drinking it. Having it on here makes such a difference, and I love this.